Well, we are back on the reversing valve on this Goodman package unit, and the first time around things did not go anything like planned. Pretty sure it was probably my fault, and I'd baked the reversing valve in a half open position. So this time around we're going to try to make things a little bit better by removing the condenser coil, and we'll see if we can bring you along for that joyous event. Alright, so we had to break out the MT69 to get all this refrigerant out of this sucker. It takes 14.5 pounds. I blew the relief valve on there, had to get the water hose off to cool that down, and then went ahead and did the MT69. As much as I like the size of this, I should probably replace it with one of the Stingers that's got the extra cooled coil in it. I'm going to leave a few pounds of pressure in it so that we don't go into a negative pressure. Next step, we're going to take the condenser coil off and get that reversing valve replaced. Alright, so we got the valve out, we got the coil off. This should make everything much simpler this time around. Give us an opportunity to actually keep everything cool and be a little bit quicker on the fittings with the torch. Okay, so we got those 3 lines in. Now I just need to figure out how I'm going to do the coil connection, because I really don't want to try to be brazing here once the coil comes in and obstructs my access. So at this point, what I'm thinking is that I'm going to take the joint here loose so that I can get the pipe brazed in, and then get this, the last fitting that I'm hoping to deal with, and then of course the liquid line off of the TXV, but that shouldn't be too bad. We'll see how it goes. Well, we got it all done. Got a filter dryer in it. Got the coil slapped in. That was definitely much simpler than the way I tried to do it the first time. Still not completely unaggravating, but we're holding 202 psi pretty much. I'm going to go ahead and release the nitrogen and begin with our vacuum.